Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video of BioBuddy. And we had done the basis of classification finished. We finished it in the last video. Now this video is all about some additional points which are mentioned in your NCERT, right? And some things which I will be telling you in addition, right? So we'll be studying about the circulatory system, digestive system and the respiratory system, right? So what happens? How are they being classified? Fine. So digestive system, as you know, in our body also we have digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system. Just like that, which the animals also have the respiratory, digestive and circulatory system, right? In a similar manner, they also have these systems on the basis of which their body is operating. Fine. So now what happens in digestive system, beta? There are two types. One is the complete digestive system and the other one is incomplete digestive system. Right? So in our body, beta, what happens? We eat through our mouth, right? The food goes inside our body, it digests in the stomach, right? And then the small intestine, large intestine, and it comes out through anus. So there are two openings in our body. That is why our digestive system is a complete digestive system, because it is coming inside from one pore and going outside from the another pore, or you can say another opening. Fine. So in incomplete digestive system, what is happening? Only one opening is present. Fine. And in complete digestive system, two openings are present. Fine. So what happens? In one opening, it is present in coelenterata, ctenophora and platyhelminths. So these three phylums are the phylums which are having which type of digestive system? They are having incomplete digestive system. Why? Because there is only single opening present. Fine. And in complete digestive system, what will happen? In complete digestive system, beta, two openings are present, right? From which from which it is entering, the food is entering, and from the other, the food is going out. It is being excreted out of the body, right? So example of complete digestive system, which phylums have it? They are from Aschelminths to Chordata, right? All of them have the complete digestive system. Fine. Next, let's come to the circulatory system. So circulatory system is also of two types: open and closed circulatory system. Fine. So we are having which type of circulatory system, beta? We are having a closed circulatory system, right? We do not have open circulatory system. Now what is the difference between open and closed? So in open, beta, there are no capillaries present. There is not even a single capillary present. The blood directly opens up into the spaces called as the sinuses, right? They do not have arteries, veins and all these capillaries present in their body. What happens in their body? The blood directly goes into the open spaces called as the sinuses. Fine? That is the reason this is known as the open circulatory system. Examples are Arthropoda, non-cephalochordate mollusca, and tunicata, hemichordata and echinodermata. Now in closed, what will happen? All of them except this, they have closed circulatory system. Fine. Last is the respiratory system. Respiratory system, it was first time seen in Arthropoda. For the very first time it was seen in Arthropoda. Right? So after Arthropoda, all the phylums which are left, they are having the respiratory system. Fine? There are certain additional points. Remember this, although these will be covered when you will be studying the phylum alone as well. These all the points will be covered in detail. But still, this was a must video. You should all note down these points, because for the summary, when you have to summarize just the phylums, you have to see, and whether you have to see whether it is having a complete, incomplete digestive system or open or closed circulatory system. This is a very, very important highlight video. Fine. So all of you do watch this video completely. If you are having any doubts, any problems, you can put down in the comment section below. As I say this in every video, you can put down any comment, any doubt, any questions which are popping up in your mind anytime. Right? It will be replied to you very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you in the next video. Right? So till then, take care.